Hello everyone and welcome to our video. This video was made to explain a few simple things in Microsoft Teams. This video was made by Rizfandino Ramadhan, Alsyahrir Zahni Putra, and Calvin Allen Garde. For now, we would like to give you an explanation about how to create teams, how to edit Word together, and how to edit Microsoft OneNote together. To create teams, first you need to open Microsoft Teams and go into the Teams tab. Click on the Create Team tab, fill in the team name, description, and privacy settings. To add members into the teams, type the person's name that you want to add and click on the Add button after it is done. You can check on the Member tab for the amount of people present in the team.
Next, editing Word together. Upload a Word file of your choosing into the Teams. Second, after done uploading, open the file in Teams by clicking it on three dots present next to the file name. Third, this will open the file in Microsoft Teams without needing to use an internal Word application. Fourth, once inside the file, the people who is working on the file can be seen and their name is shown in the file.
To create a Microsoft OneNote for Teams, you can go into the File tab of the created team and then click down on New and click on OneNote. For this, you can enter the name of your notebook, and after that, it will open the Microsoft OneNote in the web. The note itself can be edited by everyone in the Teams with no exceptions. For this example, after leaving the file for 5 minutes, other people have been found adding their own notes.